I need to give you an overview of my earnings from Zazzle, including all the Black Friday savings. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I did a merging. I didn't want to do separate videos for Zazzle earnings and Black Friday savings, so I merged both videos into one. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is my Zazzle earnings till date is a little bit above $500. Let me refresh that again. So here is the earnings that I haven't cashed out yet. The rest I have cashed out, but everything combined is a little bit above $500. I know that not many people upload to Zazzle. I know it can be a little bit cumbersome when it has to do with uploading to Zazzle, but as you can see, it's really profitable because not many people upload to Zazzle. There's uh, a possibility for you to earn more, and I really advise that you upload to Zazzle if you haven't started uploading. So, and this is within the 3 months period, if I'm not mistaken. So 3 months, $500. That's not too bad, guys. Considering that it's passive, I literally just upload and they sell, do everything, and I just receive royalties and I cash out using PayPal and transfer it to my bank. So we're gonna move to the second part of this video, showing you exactly the tools that I use to upload to Zazzle, including all the Black Friday savings. So let's go. So number one is flying research. I use this to do all my print on demand research as well as KDP. It works both ways. You can do research for print on demand, research for KDP as well as trademark. And for Black Friday savings, you can use the code Black Friday, all capital letters, and you're gonna get 50% discount on all the yearly bundles. And you can use the code Black 40 and you get 40% discount on all yearly packages. So all the links to the tools I'm going to talk about is found in the description below if you're interested. The next tool that I'm going to talk about is Vexels. I use Vexels to do my designing. They do everything from KDP as well as by KDP I mean book covers, interiors. For print on demand, they do design, ready to download designs, as well as you can request your own designs to be made. So you can even edit the designs that have already been made to make your own designs unique. So I use them a lot, and I went for the lifetime plan, which is what I would recommend that you do. And on this Black Friday, earnings are offering up to 55% off. Then if you sign up during this period, you can win additional gifts with this spin wheel. Everything will be sent to you via email if you use my link and you subscribe during this Black Friday savings period. And what I really want to touch down is the lifetime savings, because that is what I went in for. That's what I purchased. So normally the merch lifetime is $550. That's what I paid, and right now they're offering a 55% discount. That is $415. That's what you're gonna pay now if you want to get into lifetime. The reason why I like lifetime deals is because I don't have to pay every month or every year or something like that. So I went straight for lifetime, and up to now I'm just reaping the benefits over and over again. You can even see that the earnings from Zazzle alone has already covered the investment I made in this by purchasing Vexel's lifetime. So if you want to do the business lifetime, sure, you can go ahead and purchase this. It has additional downloads, additional requests per month, same as the lifetime. And if you already have the lifetime, you can also upload. You can also get the business lifetime, upgrade and get the business lifetime. So next, I'm going to talk about Sales Samurai. If you're using Etsy, This is really important. Sales Samurai is like the flying research of Etsy. Sales Samurai, if you know what I mean by that. So you can get 39.99. You can pay 39.99 for 6 months period. That's literally like $6.99 every month. Normally you pay I think $19.99, but it has been slashed down to $6.99, and everything combined now is, if you pay 39.99 now, that will be for 6 months deal. So next I'm going to talk about and by the way, if you want additional discount from this already discount that is here, you can use the code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters. You get an additional 20% discount, and you can use that for these three tools: Sales Samurai, Merch Informer, and BookBoat. All of them, you use the code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters, and you get an additional 20% discount from this deal that is already there. So it's something worth noting. So for Merch Informer 2, I use it to do print on demand niche research. I also use it to find out the designs that have been removed from Amazon. So maybe if it's a new niche that everyone is entering, I usually go there and search and see if designs have already been started taken down. That's exactly what I did for this the Brandon niche, the new niche that just popped out of nowhere on everywhere is something Brandon. I can't remember, guys. If you remember the full name, please let me know in the comment section below. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section below. So this Brandon niche, the new Brandon niche, I decided to go to Merchant Farmer and do some search because I wasn't sure if it was safe or not. So I did some search, and apparently no designs were taken down. So apparently it's a safe niche, and people have been cashing out a lot on that. So that's what I use Merchant Farmer to do. And you can also upload. There's a mass uploader that you can upload to all the print on demand platforms, same as flying upload. uh, I know I spoke about this Black Friday deal. You can use this for flying research as well as flying upload. So I use flying upload to upload. You can also use the single uploads in the interface to upload. So that's really up to you, whatever uploading tool you want to use. And next, BookBoat. This is for the KDP uploaders. KDP sellers. We also have a deal going on, Black Friday deal for $9.99 for 6 months. Additional 20% discount code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters. Next, Creative Fabrica. It's you for now you can download all the interiors, all the designs from here. The reason why I like Creative Fabrica is because download from print on demand to interiors. In short, it's a huge library of KDP interiors, KDP covers, print on demand designs, everything, even fonts, right to fonts. Yeah, they have everything here. So you can download everything for now for $1, and it's gonna continue with at $19 per month. Now, coming to the last thing I want to talk about is Alidropship. I don't really talk about dropshipping on this channel a lot, but there are also deals going on right now. You can get a 25% discount from either of these stores. These are basic, advanced, and ultimate stores. You can create your own store that you can start dropshipping as soon as possible. And if you want to add Sylvia is what I really recommend. Is 1 to 3 days US drop shipping. 1 to 3 days the package arrives your customer in the US. So fast shipping is what I really admire with Sylvia, because if you're using something like a website like AliExpress, they do very long shipping because it's coming from China. So customers are usually angry, and that can lead to negative feedback when their shipping times are long. So with Sylvia, you have 1 to 3 days shipping in the US. So a really short shipping, customers are gonna give you positive feedback. So back to the code, you can use the code black25 for a 25% discount at checkout. So guys, that's what I really wanted to talk about, all the Black Friday deals that are gonna be live, that are live right now and will be taken down on the 30th. So it's really important that you grab these deals before it's too late. And that's basically it, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.